Welcome to Life at Hacks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your Android phone draining battery. I will show you 6 important settings which you can turn off. One setting you need to turn on. These are the settings you need to turn on. Scan for nearby devices. This is under Google settings. Number 2, nearby devices scanning. It is under settings. Number 3, disable default print services. Number 4, disable usage data access permission. Number 5, turn off unwanted app notifications. And one must have to turn on in your Android phone is turn on battery protection. I will guide you step by step how to turn off these settings and turn on one battery protection in your Android phone. Let's dive in. This is how to turn off scan for nearby devices under Google settings. Go to settings, scroll down, select Google services, then select all services. Now going to your devices, you can see the setting here, scan for nearby devices. You can turn this off because it is also already draining your battery, scanning wherever you travel, scanning other people's devices. So we turn it off. Next setting you need to turn it off is a nearby device scanning. This under settings. Go to settings. I am using Android 15. So every device got different area where you can find these settings. So easy to find is go to search and type nearby. You can see it's come up nearby devices scanning. This is, you need to turn it off. Your phone will scan for devices nearby and let connect to them in a pop-up or in the notification panel. Your phone use Bluetooth or nearby device scanning even when Bluetooth is turned off. Your phone use Bluetooth for nearby device scanning even when Bluetooth is turned off. Turn this off. Next one you need to do is disable default print services. Go to settings, search and type printing, select printing, default print services. Turn this off. Turn this off. Number 4 setting you need to turn off is disable usage data access permission. Go to settings, go to the search column and type data access. Select the one digital well-being settings and select usage data access. Digital well-being allow permission, you need to turn it off. This is actually allow apps to monitor which other apps you use and how often and identify your service provider, language settings and other usage data. Turn this off to save power. Last settings you need to turn it off is turn off unwanted app notifications. Go to settings, notifications, app notification. Here you can see all the apps got notifications. You can turn it off whatever you don't want. Adobe Scan we don't need. Bixby, Booking.com, you don't need. ChatGPT, Chrome, whatever you don't need, you can turn it off. Don't turn off WhatsApp, Viber, you will get message notification, otherwise you won't get it. So these are the settings you need to turn off. The last 6th setting you need to turn on is the battery protections. Go to settings, type battery, here battery protection. This need to be turned on. What this does is when your battery basic is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drop down to 95%, and then charging will start again. So actually this is protect your battery from wearing it down. So these are the 5 settings you need to turn off, 1 setting you need to turn on. This will keep your phone from draining battery. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you.